Good morning, my dear students. Today we will discuss about the quadratic equation, that is exercise first, second main. The question is this type: the area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length is one more than twice its breadth. Represent in the form of quadratic equation. So what is here? First of all, you know that area of rectangle is equal to A is equals to L into B, that is length into breadth. This is the area of the rectangle. What they have given it? The area of rectangular plot. Area they have given A is equals to, which I write here. A is equals to 528 meters square, and the length is one more than twice its breadth. The length is one more, its length they have given. So we have to assume let breadth be as x meter, breadth which are considered as x meter, then this is the b is equals to x. What about the length? L will become, see here, the length is one more means 1 plus, 2 more means 2 plus, 3 more means 3 plus. The length is one more, 1 plus, then twice its breadth, twice means 2, and breadth is we have considered as x. So what it becomes? A we have, that is 528, which I substitute on the place of A, 528, which is equals to N means 1 plus 2x, out of the bracket breadth is nothing but x is there, and this outside x we need to multiply 2 times, one with this one and another with this one. Let us multiply, it becomes 528, which is equals to x1 is x plus 2x into x becomes 2x square. Let me write in the proper form. So these two first I will write 2x square plus of x, and this 528 I am going to shift this side. So once it becomes from one side to another side, sign will change, and it becomes 528, which is equals to 0. This you can observe. This equation 2x square plus x minus 528 is equals to 0 represent the quadratic equation. So this is the solution for sub main question, first main. Let us go for the second question. And the second main question is, what is that? Let me write. The product of two consecutive positive integers is 306, and again we have to represent in the form of quadratic equation. Let us solve this also. You can observe the question is this type. This is the second question. The product of two consecutive positive integers. So what are the two positive consecutive integers? We should take these two. Let x comma x plus 1 are two consecutive positive integers. See here, all of them. Observe how I say that. What is the meaning of consecutive? First you come to know that. The meaning of consecutive is serial number. If I substitute x is equals to 1 and 1 plus 1, it becomes 1 and 2. If I substitute x is equals to 2, so this becomes 2, comma 2 plus 1, that is nothing but 3. 2 and 3 are consecutive, serial order. See, if I put 10 here, 10 plus 1, it becomes 10 and 11. So such numbers are called as a consecutive positive. We can't take minus because condition they say positive integers. And the product they are. Let us take the product. See, the product of two consecutive. So these two are the product that we have to take. X in the bracket, x plus 1, which is equals to 306. This is very simple question. This x again you should multiply with this x into x, it becomes x square, x1 is up plus of x. This 306 you have to bring it this side. So what it will be changes? Sign. So it becomes minus 306, which is equals to 0. Now you can observe this is the equation which represent the quadratic form. X square plus x minus 306 is equals to 0. So this is the solution for second main Roman second question. Let us see the third Roman third question also. Question I'll write it. Rohan's mother's age is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages in years, that is 3 years from now, will be 306. Again the question is represent in. Let's see here. This is the question that Rohan's mother's age is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages in 3 years from now will be 306, representing quadratic equation. What is here? Let me take, let Rohan's age is equals to x, y is years. Let Rohan's age is x years. Then what about the Rohan's mother's? Let me write Rohan's mother's age is equals to, surely she will be x plus 26 years. She will be older than him, surely. If you are a son or daughter, your age will be younger than your parents, and your parents, either it will be father or mother, they will be older than you. So like same, Rohan's age is x years, Rohan's mother age is x plus 26 years. Now, what they gave? The product of their ages means these are not the things. The product of their ages in 3 years from now. Whenever from now they gave, it means that after 3 years. You should understand. After 3 years. What about after 3 years? Surely, if you are 15, after 3 years you will become 18. If your mother is 50, after 3 years she will become 53. Like this. So after 3 years, what happens? Rohan's age, again it will be changes. Rohan's age. Rohan is already earlier, it was x. Now it becomes x plus 3 years. X plus 3 years. In the same way, Rohan's mother is already x plus 26. So after 3 years, what it will become? Right here, Rohan's mother's age. Rohan's mother's age will become already x plus 26. So x plus 26 plus of 3. In this, you can add 26 plus 3. She becomes x plus 29 years. Now, these two, this is 29. These two, you need to multiply. Why these two? Because they give the product of their ages in 3 years from now. Means these two we need to multiply. Let us multiply that. I'll have this one. So it becomes, what it becomes? X plus 3. So in the bracket, x plus 29, which is equals to 306. Let us multiply that. X into x, x square plus 29x plus 3x plus of 3 into 29 you have to do. 3 9s are 27, 2 left, 3 2 is 6, 87 it is. minus of 306, which is equals to 0. Why minus of 306? Because this you have to bring it at this side. This becomes x square plus these two you need to add it, 29 plus of 3, that becomes 32x, and minus 306 here. 306 from that you should minus it 87. So what about that? You should subtract it 16 minus of 7, that is nothing but 9, carry 1, 10 minus of 9 uses 1, carry 1, it becomes 290. Check once again, 16 minus of 7 is 7. So that 6 is 3, carry 1, 10 minus of 1, 9, 1, carry 1, 3 minus of 1 is nothing but 2. So it becomes minus 219, which is equals to 0. So this represents, what it represents? Quadratic equation. So this completes your second main, first, second and third. Thank you.